everybody, today is Wednesday. I'm starting the video late. Actually, you're probably only gonna see this on Thursday, but I wanted to just point out some things that I think that are very important about trying to get making your dreams come true. It's not just thinking positive. There's a lot of action into it, and I want to touch on some of the points and information that I read, that I've been reading. So I have shared with you the two books. One of them is Working with the Law, and the other one is The ABCs of Success of Bob Proctor. So I've been working and reading them the last few weeks, and I want to touch on the law of attraction. We do want to have things happen in our lives, and there are a few things that that Raymond Hollowell is referring to on his book, on the law of attraction chapter, excuse me. And one of them, you need to set your goal, and then you need to put interest into it. So you need to definitely be concerned or about someone or something, or think about what you want. These things need to give you joy, pleasure, wisdom, satisfaction, and that's where you put your interest into. Now another something else you also need to do is put attention into it. So our attention, as it says on the book, our attention must portray our interest, and the keener our interest, the more intense will be the attention. So what that means, just make sure you are working on what you want. You put interest to it, and you also need to put attention. So you got to remember about it, mentalize and visualize the things that you like or that you want that come true in your life. And the third thing that he mentions also in the law of attraction is expectation. So you need to think that you're gonna get it. So you're expecting, so you know you're gonna get it, as if you were in the present, so as if you already have it. So expectation is a big thing, because sometimes if you have a goal, you have something in mind, if you don't expect it to happen, if you don't believe, it's never gonna happen. So that's a big word here on this chapter, expectation. Now in my life, I wanted to share something. This week has been of a lot of changes, and also I have made some decisions. So I will be sharing them with you as we go along with the videos in the next few weeks. But I also wanted to touch on the decision chapter on the ABC of Success, and that's from Bob Proctor. And by the way, I'm very proud. I have an autographed book that I got on the seminar that I went to in July in Los Angeles. Now, on the decision part, and I have read this to you already, but I want to touch on that because it's so important on things that have changed. So, decision, so personal power. I once heard it said that the world will forgive you if you make mistakes, but life will not forgive you if you fail to make decisions. So I can say, from someone that didn't like to make decisions and didn't want to take time to decide on things, I have made a big change, studying myself and the books, and learning to know about myself. And that's one thing, I am making decisions, and I recommend it if you have trouble with that, to start doing it, even if it's small things. Start doing with small things, and then as you go along, you're going to start making some beautiful decisions about your life. Now, here also in the decision chapter, it says, now, so you will need to know where you are, where you want to be, and the steps needed to bridge the gap. Okay, so write down what you really want. See where you are in that goal, how far you are from it, and where you want to be, and then start thinking about things on how to reach your goal. Maybe you don't know all of it on the beginning, but as you go, as you take your steps, as you get closer to it, you will eventually know all you need to know to get where you are, to get where you want to be. Okay, so again, I wanted to share that with you. A lot of decisions that are gonna change my life, that are making my life more positive, and I'd love to share them with you. I will share in the next few videos, but keep watching. Again, like, share, subscribe. There'll be many more videos with much more information. Okay, so I love you all, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Love you. Bye bye.